everybody, I'm here to talk about the 2012 Moraine jacket, new this year. It's one of my favorites. Has great style, awesome colors this season. Has a great fit, comfortable but still functional to rip those lines. Has a great season pass pocket, some pit zips, keep you ventilated, nice and cool. Some wrist gaiters to keep you nice and warm. Inside, we have a big giant pocket for goggles. We have powder skirt at the bottom to keep you dry on those powder days. And a great place for your headphones.